Hello, my name is Nusrat Alam, and I am a first-generation Bengali Muslim American. My superpower is perspective. Growing up in Queens, New York, I've had the privilege of being around all types of people, of all backgrounds, of all races, genders, religions, and sexualities. This has given me my superpower of perspective. I thought this was actually everyone's experience, right? I thought that we could actually be seen outside of our outside appearance and actually be judged for what's on the inside. When those planes hit those towers on September 11th, this reality came down crashing for me. I realized that I could be hated on the basis of my religion. And I started to realize that my experience was not everyone else's experience. And this is not something that sat right with me. And this is not something that I could sit with and just sit by and watch happening to my people, to other people, to minorities, to non-minorities. So I chose to do something about it. If I see it, then it's my responsibility to do something about it. One of my best friends and I, a black man and a Muslim woman, decided that we should partner up together and see what we could do about it. How can we share our perspectives with the world so that people realize that we are actually human beings? So that resulted in the creation of I Am Perspective. I Am Perspective is a platform that brings people of different backgrounds together in a space and to have one-on-one dialogues with each other and actually get to know each other and actually ask those questions, those difficult questions that we're so afraid to ask, and have those answers so we can actually come from a place of understanding and create empathy and actually create the love and the peace and the unity that we want to see in this world. What would it look like if we were to look past each other's differences and realize that we are actually more connected than we are different? What would it look like if we were to be loved and we were to be unified? What could we accomplish in this world? All it takes is a dialogue. All it takes is a conversation, right? An openness to actually be, to see people for who they really are, that we are not our stereotypes. I am not a terrorist. I am a lover. I invite you to join me, to join us, and sit down and actually have a conversation. I invite you to be and to be seen. So will you be open to that? Please join us. And actually, whether or not you're at one of our events or whether you're at the coffee shop, sit down with someone that's different from you and actually take that opportunity to speak. Please check out www.iamperspective.com for any future events that you may love to attend. Thank you.